Hello students, today we are going to see some of the sorts of differentiation. So the question is f of x is equal to log of sec x tan x, then find f dash of x. This is the question. So the first of all, what's the formula which we are going to use are d by dx of log x is nothing but 1 by x, right? In the same way, d by of dx sec x is nothing but sec x tan x. In the same way, d by dx of tan x is nothing but sec square x, right? These are the formulas which we are going to use, right? Now let's see if f is equal to this, differentiating with respect to x, d by dx is equal to d by dx. F of x is nothing but f dash of x is equal to d by dx of log x is nothing but 1 by sec x plus tan x, 1 by x. But in the place of x, what is there? D by dx of sec x plus tan x, right? In the place of x, log x, in the place of x, this is there. So again, once we have to differentiate that, right? F dash of x is equal to 1 by sec x plus tan x. D by dx of sec x, what is the answer? Sec x tan x into d by dx of tan x, sec square x, right? Right? Sec x tan x, sec x square x. What is the common? The common is nothing but f dash of x is equal to sec x is common. Sec x. What is remained here? Tan x. And what we remained here? Sorry, not bracket close. Sec x. Sec x is common. Tan x and 1 sec x is left out by sec x plus tan x. Sec x tan x get cancelled, right? So what we'll get? We'll get f dash of x is equal to sec x, right? So this was the answer. Now let's see some other question also. F of x is equal to 7x cube plus 3x. Then what is the value of f dash of x? And x is less than f of x. First of all, what are the formulas which we are going to use are d by dx of a power x is equal to a power x log a, right? In the same way, d by dx x power n is nothing but n of x n minus 1, right? This is the question. Now, how to solve this? First thing we should do is differentiating with respect to x, d by dx, d by dx. D by dx of f of x is nothing but f dash of x into d by dx of a power everything. So a power x, right? X 7x cube plus 2x ax log a log 7, right? Into d by of dx of x cube plus 3x. Why we are taking ax in the x of this? All is there. If x is there, we should not take a power x in the x, different thing is there. So again we have taken d by dx of that, right? Now f of x, where it is f dash of x is nothing but is equal to 7x cube plus 2x log 7 plus d by dx of 3x x cube is nothing but 3x square plus 3 into 1 is nothing but 3, right? F dash of x is equal to 3x square, here into it is not plus, 3x square plus 3 into 7, sorry, x up only 7x cube plus 2x log 7, right? Just take what? 3 as common, where it is f dash of x is equal to 3, just we are taken common, x square plus 1 7x cube plus 2 log 7. So this is the answer. Again one question we'll see. If x is equal to tan e power minus y, then show that dy by dx is equal to minus e power y by e1 plus x square, right? The formulas which we are going to use as d by dx of ex is nothing but same, ex it will be d by dx of tan inverse x is nothing but 1 by 1 plus x square. In the same way, 1 by a power minus m is equal to a power m. In the denominator it is minus, means in the numerator it goes and it will become plus, right? So now let's start the problem. X is equal to what? X value, where it is, right, yeah, x is equal to tan of e power ey. Just we are doing what? D by dx, d by dx instead of g. Yeah, just see here, we want something for x, so just we are bringing tan here. If it bring tan here, it will be tan inverse of x is equal to e power minus y. Just we are taking this tan at this place. Why? Because x is single one. So now we are differentiating d by dx, okay? Now differentiating with x. Tan inverse y is nothing but 1 by 1 plus x square is equal to d by dx of e power x is e power x, that is e power minus y, and into d by dx of e power of minus y, right? 1 by 1 plus x square e power minus y, only y, sorry, d by dx of minus y is nothing but minus y by dx, dy by dx, right? Now what we should do? Now what we have to do? Just take dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to, this will go in denominator, right? 1 by e power minus y into 1 by 1 plus x square, right? And also we are sending minus. See, just we are sending minus and this in denominator. Minus will go that side and 1 by e minus y will go there. What will get? dy by dx is equal to what? This will go in numerator, e power y is equal to e power y by 1 plus x square. This is the answer. Hoping that you have understood. Thank you.